Unearthing the secrets of the deep, a discovery beyond imagination. The ocean, vast and seemingly endless, has long been a realm of mystery. Beneath its shimmering surface lies a world that remains largely unexplored. While we have mapped the moon in greater detail than the depths of our own oceans, the abyss continues to conceal its secrets. Recent discoveries, however, have begun to peel back the veil of the unknown, revealing creatures that challenge our understanding of life itself. One such discovery is the Antarctic strawberry featherstar, a newly identified species that thrives in the frigid waters of the Southern Ocean. With its bizarre, alien-like appearance, this creature is a stark reminder of how little we truly know about marine life. But this is just one of many recent revelations that hint at a deeper, more profound mystery lurking in the ocean's depths. What compels explorers to risk their lives to probe the uncharted abyss? Is it the thrill of discovery, the quest for knowledge, or perhaps an innate human curiosity to uncover the unknown? Consider the daring deep-sea missions of Russian explorers using the Mir submersibles, plunging into the Mariana Trench, a place so dark and hostile that it seems almost uninhabitable. It is in such places that the most astonishing discoveries are made. The Mariana Trench, a world beyond comprehension. The Mariana Trench, stretching over 7 miles into the Earth's crust, is a place where light ceases to exist and pressure reaches levels that would crush an ordinary submarine. Few have dared to venture into this abyss, where life has evolved in ways that defy imagination. The creatures that dwell in this world are unlike anything seen at the ocean's surface. Some have adapted translucent bodies, rendering them almost invisible in the darkness. Others have evolved bioluminescence, using their eerie glow to attract prey or confuse predators. Among these deep-sea oddities was a predator never seen before, an eerie, tree-like sponge that ensnares unsuspecting creatures in its tendrils, slowly digesting them over days. This revelation is a testament to the ocean's ability to harbor life forms that seem more suited to science fiction than reality. But this is only the beginning. The graveyard beneath the waves. Not far from the realm of these strange creatures, the wreckage of the USS Johnston, a World War II destroyer lost 75 years ago, was recently rediscovered. Resting 4 miles below the surface, the ship was found remarkably intact, its hull still bearing the marks of battle. The sight of the ship's numbers, perfectly preserved in the crushing depths, was a haunting reminder of the ocean's silent embrace. Even deeper, beyond the known and the explored, something else stirs, an unseen force that has never been witnessed by human eyes. Could an ancient, monstrous entity be hiding in the uncharted abyss, waiting to be discovered? Creatures of the abyss. The creatures of the deep sea are some of the most bizarre and fascinating beings on our planet. The marine hatchetfish, with its flattened, silver body, uses counter-illumination to render itself invisible from below. The Dumbo octopus, named for its ear-like fins, drifts through the darkness with a ghostly elegance, while the comb jelly radiates an eerie bioluminescent glow, illuminating its fragile form like a phantom in the depths. Further below, the gulper eel stretches its elastic mouth wide enough to swallow prey larger than itself. Its grotesque, alien-like features seem almost designed for a world where survival is dictated by adaptability. But among all these wonders, the true nightmare of the deep is the black sea devil. A species of anglerfish, the black sea devil possesses a bioluminescent lure that dangles in front of its mouth, tricking unsuspecting prey into venturing too close. In the inky void, where food is scarce, the sea devil is a master of deception. Its gaping jaws, lined with needle-like teeth, ensure that whatever enters its domain will never escape. Yet, as terrifying as these known creatures may be, they pale in comparison to the unknown. What if something even more monstrous exists in the deepest, most hidden trenches? What if we are only beginning to scratch the surface of an ancient ecosystem, concealed for millennia? A haunting discovery. In the world of deep-sea exploration, there are occasional encounters that defy explanation. One such incident involved fishermen who, while trawling in the abyssal depths, hauled up something that sent chills down their spines. The creature, unlike anything documented before, had a gelatinous body that seemed to shimmer and shift under the boat's lights. Its black, lifeless eyes reflected nothing but emptiness. Was this an undiscovered species? Or something else? Something unnatural? The deep-sea snailfish, the deepest living fish ever recorded, has been found at depths exceeding 26,000 feet. But what lies beyond even this? Could there be creatures we are simply not meant to encounter? The ocean's whispered secrets. For decades, mysterious sounds have echoed through the depths, captured by underwater microphones. In 1997, the infamous bloop sound was recorded, a deep, resonating noise so powerful it was initially believed to have been produced by a living creature larger than any known whale. Although later attributed to shifting icebergs, speculation remains. What if it was something else? A creature beyond our comprehension? Another unexplained noise, the Western Pacific biotwang, recorded in 2016, continues to baffle scientists. Could it be a call from an unknown leviathan lurking in the abyss? Or is it simply another natural phenomenon yet to be understood? Ancient survivors and future discoveries. Among the strangest known organisms dwelling in the ocean's depths are xenophyphores, massive single-celled entities that thrive over 6 miles below the surface. These organisms, growing to the size of dinner plates, challenge everything we understand about life's adaptability. As technology advances, our ability to explore the ocean's depths improves. Each new expedition brings discoveries that force us to rethink the limits of life on Earth. But even with these advancements, the ocean remains a realm of mystery, where nightmares may very well lurk in the darkness. A warning from the deep. The recent discovery of an unidentified deep-sea creature raises more questions than answers. Could it be part of an ecosystem so alien that it rewrites marine biology as we know it? Or was it simply an anomaly, an isolated glimpse into a world beyond our reach? Those who have ventured into the abyss speak of an overwhelming sense of unease, as though they have disturbed something ancient and watching. The Mariana Trench, a place where sunlight will never touch, continues to guard its secrets. Each discovery only deepens the mystery, leading to more unanswered questions. For now, the ocean remains an enigma, a world teeming with life yet refusing to reveal all of its secrets. The creatures we have found are awe-inspiring, terrifying, and strange, but they are only the beginning. What else waits in the darkness, lurking just beyond our sight? The answers lie in the abyss, in a realm where nightmares and reality blur into one. And perhaps, some secrets are best left undiscovered. The hidden civilization, unearthing the Maya through LiDAR technology. For centuries, the Maya civilization has captivated historians, archaeologists, and explorers with its architectural marvels, mysterious glyphs, and sophisticated societal structures. While the pyramids of Tikal, the temples of Palenque, and the grand plazas of Chichen Itza have long been admired, much of the ancient Maya world remained hidden beneath dense jungles, making it nearly impossible for researchers to understand the full scope of their civilization. However, thanks to cutting-edge technology, archaeologists have recently made groundbreaking discoveries that have reshaped our understanding of this ancient society. A few years ago, a revolutionary aerial scanning technique called LiDAR, light detection and ranging, revealed more than 61,000 previously unknown Maya structures buried beneath the forests of Guatemala. The findings stunned experts and challenged long-held beliefs about the scale, complexity, and organization of the Maya civilization. The discovery demonstrated that Maya society was far more extensive and interconnected than previously thought, with sprawling cities, massive agricultural systems, and a highly developed infrastructure. The power of LiDAR in archaeology. LiDAR technology has proven to be one of the most transformative tools in modern archaeology. By using laser pulses to penetrate dense vegetation, LiDAR can create detailed three-dimensional maps of landscapes, uncovering structures and networks that are invisible to the naked eye. Traditionally, discovering ancient cities required extensive fieldwork, often involving labor-intensive excavation and deforestation. Now, with LiDAR, archaeologists can gather massive amounts of data in just a few hours, drastically accelerating the pace of discoveries. In the case of the recent Maya findings, LiDAR surveys covered an area of over 800 square miles in the Petén region of northern Guatemala. Researchers discovered vast urban centers with complex roadways, elevated highways, interconnected settlements, and large-scale agricultural modifications. These discoveries suggest that the Maya civilization was much more advanced and densely populated than scholars had previously estimated. A jogger's surprise, realizing the past beneath his feet. One of the most remarkable stories to emerge from these findings involves Dr. Marcelo Canuto, an anthropologist and director of Tulane University's Middle American Research Institute. Canuto had spent years conducting research in the region, unknowingly jogging along what he believed was a simple dirt path. However, when the LiDAR images were analyzed, it was revealed that his regular jogging route was, in fact, an ancient Maya road, part of a sophisticated transportation network that had been buried under centuries of vegetation. This revelation underscores just how much of the ancient world remains hidden, even in areas that have been extensively studied. The realization that entire cities, roads, and agricultural systems lay beneath the jungle canopy has sparked new enthusiasm among researchers, encouraging them to revisit previously explored regions with fresh perspectives. A civilization far more advanced than previously thought. Before the LiDAR discoveries, many historians and archaeologists believed that the Maya civilization consisted of relatively small, loosely connected city-states. However, the new findings suggest a far more unified and structured society. The roads and causeways uncovered by LiDAR indicate that these cities were interconnected, allowing for efficient trade, military coordination, and political governance. The evidence also suggests that the Maya civilization supported a much larger population than previously estimated. Some scholars now believe that millions of people lived in the Maya lowlands at the height of the civilization's power. This challenges earlier theories that the region's environment could not sustain large populations. Instead, the LiDAR data reveals extensive agricultural modifications, including terraced fields, irrigation canals, and artificial reservoirs, sophisticated systems designed to maximize food production and manage water resources in a tropical environment. The role of drones in archaeology. Drones have also played a crucial role in these discoveries, revolutionizing the way archaeologists conduct research. Traditionally, exploring ancient sites required physically navigating dense forests, an arduous and time-consuming process. With drones, researchers can now obtain aerial views of landscapes, identifying potential excavation sites with unprecedented efficiency. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and LiDAR sensors, drones allow archaeologists to explore remote and difficult-to-access areas safely. This has been particularly valuable in regions such as the Amazon rainforest and Central America, where thick vegetation and challenging terrain have historically made archaeological work nearly impossible. As drone technology continues to improve, with longer battery life, more precise imaging, and enhanced AI capabilities, archaeologists will be able to uncover even more lost cities and civilizations. This advancement is not just about discovering ancient ruins. It's about reconstructing human history in ways that were once unimaginable. The impact of LiDAR beyond the Maya civilization. While the LiDAR discoveries in Guatemala have been groundbreaking,